Hey everybody, it's Pat with Bird Brain Model Rails again. Today we're going to discuss service cradles for our locomotives. Uh, a lot of us that maintain our locos, and with little things like lubrication and traction tires, need a way to hold our locos without damaging them. I found a real inexpensive way to do this. We simply use a piece of foam. And guys, these can be found at most discount stores in the automotive section. Simply all you do, or all I did, was I cut out I just cut a section out of there. And the way I got my gauge for it was I set my engine on top of it, like so. And then I drew my lines down the side of it with a Sharpie, like so. Once I got my lines drawn, I used a safety razor, like so. I came down the sides in here, like so, on both sides. I cut down into the foam, like so. Then I grabbed that same razor and a pair of hemostats and simply grabbed a hold of the razor with my hemostats and clamped it down and set it in a position where I could slide into this camera set, right? Into here, and slowly worked my way into that foam and cut through as I went, and raise it as I went through to get some depth. Now, once I got clear all the way across this, to pull that insert out, and by the way, don't throw this away yet. Then I had to come in and kind of work my razor tool through here to get it fairly level through the bottom here. Now this particular cradle, which cost me a whopping $2 at the store, is designed for my O-scale engines, which sit in just like so. So if I'm lubricating, it holds that locomotive upright for me. Now if I want to replace the traction tire or install one, I can simply just put this on a tilt like so, which makes everything easy to get to. And here's another cool part about this particular cradle is, remember I said don't throw away that insert that we cut out? Well, here's why. If we set it in here on its side, I now have a cradle for HO scale. Pretty neat trick, especially for $2. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button to get all of our updates for our videos as we upload them. Thanks and have a great day.